Yo, welcome to my extreme lab. Today we are inventing a freeze ray. Watch this ice shoot cold laser beams into my hot drink and obliterate the heat energy. Zero heat left.
Cap check, bro. Heat moves, cold doesn't.
Wait, hold up. You are telling me coldness is not a real thing? My ice isn't attacking the drink? The hot drink is actually giving its energy away to the ice? Mind blown, bro! Okay, squad. Time for a Destiny branch choice. Adding more ice is basic. Drop a 2 in the chat if you think option B is the alpha move. If I pour this secret chemical salt into the liquid, will it turn into an instant glacier or just fail? 3 seconds. No shot! It is literally freezing without a fridge! The beaker is stuck to the table, bro! This endothermic reaction is stealing heat from the entire room! Physics is wild, chat. Cold is just an NPC. Heat is the real alpha run in the game. Next time someone says turn up the AC to let the cold air in, you know what to say?
Do not be a bot. Sub for more alpha physics. Peace out. Peace out.